Let's learn, create, and explore together in the Curious Explorers Club.
French words to use in school. Hello, explorers. Bonjour means hello in French. Can you say bonjour? Great job! I'm Jojo the Fox and welcome back to the Curious Explorers Club. Today we're going on a language adventure. We'll learn easy French words you can use at school. No French experience needed. Just listen and repeat. Ready? Let's go! I'll say the English word. Then we'll hear it in French. You repeat after the French word. The school. L'école. L'école. The book. Le livre. Le livre. The pencil. Le crayon. Le crayon. The desk. Le bureau. Le bureau. The student. L'élève. L'élève. The teacher. Le professeur. Le professeur. The sheet of paper. La feuille de papier. The board. Le tableau. Le tableau. The window. La fenêtre. La fenêtre. The door. La porte. La porte. The garbage. La poubelle. La poubelle. The eraser. La gomme. La gomme. The scissors. Les ciseaux. Les ciseaux. The crayons. Les crayons de couleur. The ruler. La règle. La règle. The backpack. Le sac à dos. The class. La classe. La classe. The pencil sharpener. Le taille-crayon. The folder. Le dossier. Le dossier. The screen. L'écran. L'écran. The washroom. Les toilettes. Les toilettes. Great work, explorers. Now let's play a game. I'll say the word in English. You say it in French after you hear it. The book. What is it in French? Le livre. The window. What is it in French? La fenêtre. The garbage. What is it in French? La poubelle. The backpack. What is it in French? Le sac à dos. The washroom. What is it in French? Les toilettes. Great job! Now let's switch. I'll say the word in French. You tell me in English. L'école. What is it in English? The school. Le professeur. What is it in English? The teacher. La feuille de papier. What is it in English? The sheet of paper. La porte. What is it in English? The door. Les crayons de couleur. What is it in English? The crayons. You're becoming French explorers now. Good job, explorers. Thanks for trying your best today. French takes practice, but every time you try you get better. See you next time in another Curious Explorers Club adventure. Au revoir. That means goodbye. Can you say au revoir? Bravo. See you next time.